Alright, so you want to learn how to run the warped wall. Well, I'm going to show you. It's pretty simple. It'll take about 5 minutes to explain. So strap in, take some notes, and get ready to beat that wall. So first things first, we're going to talk about some safety things. There's really only one rule on the wall, and it's when you're coming down the wall, you always want to stay face first and keep your body forward when coming down the wall. You can slide down, walk down backwards, however you want to do it is fine. Just don't ever turn around and run down. Don't turn around and walk down. That could result in you twisting an ankle on the way down or breaking an ankle. I've seen it happen before, and I don't want it to happen to you guys. So keep that in mind. First things first, we're going to talk about is the step right before you actually get on the wall. This is important. So you don't want your step to be too far away, or you don't want your step to be on the wall at all. You want it to be right before the crest, on the floor, right before the crest of the wall. Now your first step on the wall, you want it to be high, but not too high on the wall. You don't want to be too low either. Too low could result in you not having enough momentum to get up the wall, and too high could also result in you running into the wall or not getting any momentum at all. Here's my demonstration of it. You want to get your perfect step where it's almost a jump. Here's about where my first step is, and it takes about 3 steps to get up the wall. So I'm going to show you another angle on how your 3 steps should look. So when you're fully running the wall, you want it to be about 3 steps. If you're shorter, you can do 4 or 5, which is totally fine. So your first step is going to be a big one, but the rest of your steps, you also want to keep them about the same distance as your first step. When you're running, you want to keep your head up, your chest up as well, so that keeps your momentum from going into the wall and going upwards. You want to transfer your forward momentum to upward momentum. Then, after your third step, you want to shoot your arms up and jump off that last foot, so you get enough momentum to jump up to the top and grab onto where you're looking. If you happen to miss, that is totally fine. You just slide down face first, like I was talking about the rule before. And yeah. Also, make sure you're getting a good run up to build that momentum, so it could be 3 steps away or it could be 5 to 10 steps. You want to make sure you get the full speed so you can get enough momentum to get to the top of the wall. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe down below, leave a like on the video, share it to all your friends that want to beat that wall, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this fashion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow.